Hello, hello. Welcome again to African Travel and More. If you are a returning guest, welcome back. If you're new to our channel, you are very welcome. In this quick video today, we're going to break down how to use they in a simple way.
The future of rental car is here. We just tried they car. Stop overpaying for rideshare, wasting hours at rental car counters. We just tried they in Las Vegas, and it is the future. You order your car through an app, a remote driver will drive it to your location, you jump in, and you take over and you take off. Need to shop or get a little something to eat? Don't worry, put it in stopover mode. When you're finished, a remote driver takes over instantly to park it. No rental counter, no parking stress, zero hassles. The future is here.
Let me explain to you what they is and what it does. So if you want to rent a car for certain destination travel to make short trips, it is ideal. And that's what we did. We happened to be in Las Vegas, Nevada on a quick layover, and we decided to rent they for a couple of hours. And we had a good time. Husband did the research and decided that they would better serve our purpose for travel than Uber. This was good. How did you figure this out?
Just looking for new technologies and transportation in Las Vegas.
I'm shocked I'm doing it. Okay. You know it's mic'd up, right? So don't say stuff. Oh, what did you expect me to say? It's a driverless car that comes to your hotel or comes to whatever your destination is, lets you get in it and drive it. It's definitely the car of the future. Yes, the they cars have cameras and they have mics, so you do have to watch what you say. Once you located your car, it was easy to get in and start it up and to lock it. Get back in here somehow. Let's see, how does he do it?
It's our first time using they. It's a car that is self-driving to pick you up. That's your laundry there. So it drives itself to come pick you up. They have a remote driver. You get in it and you drive wherever you want, and you just drop it off. Life is good. So I'm about to get in it. We're gonna take a drive and see what happens. See. There's your laundry's already in there. So we're about to get in. I have to bring this seat back for sure.
Oh yeah, I did too.
They must have had a little bitty person in here. Then bring it down some. I know I'm gonna have to do that before I get up. And the back needs to come up a little bit. Okay, now let me see if I can fit in here. All right, here we go. Okay, I slid in pretty easy.
Let's start it so we can get some air.
So, I guess this push button start. Let's see if it's gonna start. Oh, hold this. Let me pause it. Well, the air conditioner is on, but I don't think it started. Did it start? Let me see something. I put it in reverse. Oh, it started. It's pretty quiet. We got electric cars in. Super quiet. No, it's not in park.
I'll put it back in park.
Okay.
I'm ready to go.
All right. Do you have the? Okay, so we're about to put in the address and we're about to get going.
What we really like about they is no surge pricing, and also you don't have to worry about short trips getting canceled.
Okay, so I just paused driving. So now we parked the bay, completely parked. Okay, so now we're about to go to Crazy Buffet and see how crazy it really is. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so we're in the Crazy Buffet. guess wait to be seated. See how it works. Here we go.
You want me to bring you back something to start, or no? You want to see the whole?
No, just get your stuff. Okay, so Yolanda's going to get something to eat. And I'm just sitting here at the buffet. We're going to see how it is. We're going to test it.
In case you were wondering, how do you lock this thing? With your phone, of course. Really enjoyed the fact that we didn't have to go to a rental car agency to hassle with paperwork and tell them about insurance and et cetera, et cetera. You just download the app and just do everything online in the app, and the car shows up to wherever you are. That's so easy, right?
Okay, so it's the end of our trip. There's Yolanda standing with the bay. So I parked it here. For some reason they said it couldn't be locked, but they said you can go. So I'm out. Going over to the deep.
So there you have it, folks. Our total rental for 2 hours, 4 minutes was $38.76. It doesn't get any better than that. We did not have to worry about returning the car to the rental agency, doing paperwork. We didn't worry with surge pricing or any of that, or having our short trip dropped because it was too short. It always happens in Uber and Lyft. And I have to say, no, we are not receiving any money from they. We probably should, because we're talking about their product and boosting it, but it's only because we believe it's a good product. It's a different way to enjoy transportation in a safe and affordable manner. So yes, we're going to support something that works well. That's just how we are. We're not going to prop something up that doesn't benefit us. So kudos to they.
Yeah, we were trying to see if it was going to drive away on its own, but it seems it's not going to do that. So it's not going anywhere.
Well, we waited a little bit to see if the car would be retrieved or if it would start driving on its own. But the Las Vegas sun was just a little too hot for us. So we trust that the car started driving on its own. It's no big thing. We've experienced Waymo and so forth, so we know how it goes. But this experience I have to credit to my husband, because he did the research and it turned out to be very good. What I particularly loved about the experience is that the car came to the hotel, to our location, and we had the car for maybe 2.5 hours. So we were able to do some errands that we wanted to do, which actually we just wanted to go eat, to grab a quick bite to eat. But it just was a nice experience because we didn't have the hassle of like renting a car, or the hassle of the Uber or Lyft and having your trip dropped. I think that is so annoying, right? So I hope that this was something that helped you. And I hope that we explain the use of they. We know that it's in Las Vegas. It may be in other cities. You can comment and let us know if it's in your city. That would be helpful. But friends, until next time, we hope that you are blessed and do well. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, friends, be blessed. Bye.